The upcoming Vivo X300 Ultra is quickly becoming one of the most exciting flagship smartphones expected in 2026. With a powerful camera system, innovative zoom technology, and flagship-level hardware, one of the biggest highlights of the Vivo X300 Ultra is its powerful camera system. The phone is expected to include a 200-megapixel primary camera, designed to capture extremely detailed images with excellent clarity. The Vivo X300 Ultra is designed to push smartphone photography and performance to a whole new level. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing new Vivo X300 Ultra. Let's have a look. The Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to be the most advanced model in Vivo upcoming X300 series. Recently showcased during Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona, this device highlights Vivo's strong focus on advanced mobile photography and premium performance. The device has attracted significant attention because of its strong focus on camera technology and high-end performance. During Mobile World Congress 2026, Vivo gave an early preview of the phone and introduced some of its most exciting features. This high-resolution sensor will allow users to take professional-quality photos even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to the main camera, the smartphone may feature a periscope telephoto lens, an ultra-wide camera for landscape shots, and a high-quality front camera for selfies and video calls. This versatile setup aims to give users the ability to capture everything from wide scenery to distant subjects with impressive detail. A unique innovation shown during the event is the advanced telephoto extender system developed in partnership with Zeiss. This accessory allows an external lens to be attached to the phone, dramatically improving zoom performance. Demonstrations showed a telephoto lens capable of achieving extremely long-range zoom, bringing distant objects much closer while maintaining good image quality. The Vivo X300 Ultra is also expected to feature a large high-resolution OLED display with a smooth refresh rate. This will provide vibrant colors, deep contrast, and a fluid visual experience, whether users are watching videos, browsing the internet, or playing games. The design of the phone is expected to include a premium metal frame and a distinctive circular camera module on the back. This design not only gives the phone a unique appearance, but also highlights the powerful camera system integrated into the device. Battery life is another important area where the Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to perform well. The device may include a large battery capacity, designed to last throughout a full day of heavy use. Fast charging technology will also allow the phone to recharge quickly, making it convenient for users who rely heavily on their smartphones. Although the phone has already been showcased publicly, the official global launch is expected later in 2026. When released, the Vivo X300 Ultra will compete with other premium flagship smartphones and could become one of the most powerful camera phones available. The Vivo X300 Ultra is shaping up to be a remarkable flagship smartphone that focuses heavily on photography, performance, and premium design. With its advanced camera system, innovative zoom technology, powerful hardware, and long battery life, the device has the potential to become one of the most impressive smartphones of 2026. So guys, this is fresh information about new Vivo X300 Ultra. I hope you like this video. For more videos, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.